Hey guys, for today's video, we're going to make sweet Alaska. Chana malala, we're going to make this dessert. So continue watch my video with Jana, and you will know how to make this sweet very easy and step by step. Wanna know how we make this? Let's go! You need 6 pieces arrow. We also need petit beurre biscuit. We also need milk. We also need 2 thick cream or gaymar. We also need Kit Kat, or you can use flakes. Only for the toppings for the top. First, we're going to cut the arrow into small pieces. Then we're going to melt it. So we open the fire, and then we put hot water here. Then put it on fire. Then now we put on the top the chocolate. So as you can see, the arrow started to melt. So just keep on stirring it until it all get melt. So as you can see, it all get melt. So after the chocolate get melt, we're going to put the 2 cups of gaymar and mix it. Then we have to lower on the fire. So that the chocolate will not get poured. So now it's mixed properly. So we are going to make our Alaska. So we put the milk on the bowl. Then we put the biscuit. So the biscuit is there. You have to soak the biscuit for not a long time with the milk. Then we need a Pyrex, or you can use anything you like. Then you put the biscuit properly. Then we put the arrow on the top, the one we melt. Then you have to spread it. Then this time we're going to add the biscuit again, its second layer. So this time we're going to add again the chocolate. This is already the 3rd layer. So now our Alaska with the 3 layer is done. So the toppings we're going to put a flakes. So the 3rd layer of our Alaska is done. So we're going to put our Kit Kat for the toppings. So now our sweet Alaska is done and refrigerated. Then you can eat them. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and make them at your home. Bye bye.